Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
Draw a line and then make a loop. Add a tail and now a whoop. We doodle-doo, we doodle bright. Let's draw animals left and right. Draw a dog with floppy ears. Draw a cat that purrs and cheers. Draw a mouse so small and quick. Draw a frog, jump, jump, trick. Draw that animal, big or small. Fuzzy, scaly, short or tall. Wiggle your brush, swirl it around. Color it up without a sound. Draw a turtle slow and green. Draw a fishy in between. Draw a monkey swinging high. Draw a peacock, what a guy. Draw with me. Let's make a doodle zoo, you see. Animal land. Just draw with heart, it will be grand. Draw that animal, big or small. Fuzzy, scaly, short or tall. Wiggle your brush, swirl it around. Color it up without a sound. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. No folks, kids encouraged to tap or clap.
Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.